Today at Old Goa State Cathedral, and I have with me a father who has traveled 5 states, 5 airports, 12 hours jungle terrain, right from Singat, Churachandpur to Goa, just for the exposition, to see the relics of Saint Francis Xavier, to be part of the exposition. And father will introduce himself and he'll tell us exactly what made him take this distance of 4,500 kilometers to Goa. So father, share some insight about it.
Yes. First of all, happy to be here in Goa, and then my love and greetings goes to the Goans, all of you. And my name is Father Mung from Manipur. And one of the things that made me to come here was when I was a small boy, I read the life of Saint Francis Xavier, and then I was inspired to see his relics. And now after 13 years of priesthood, God has given me this opportunity. And then when I have little free time, I thought I will spend this precious moment not only to see but also to spend some time praying for my state Manipur, and also to pray for peace all over the world. I just came here to pray, and I just came here with the inspiration to see Saint Francis Xavier for myself.
So tell us the journey you took right from Singat through the jungle,
Yeah.
through the approachable terrain to
Yes.
reach Aizol. So tell us that journey.
Yes. The first journey, I had to get up early in the morning, 4 o'clock, and then after washing, I immediately rushed to the roadside. Yes, it took me 14 hours. Otherwise, from my place to the Imphal airport, Manipur airport, is just only 1.5 hours or even 2 maximum, even if there are traffics. But I took 14 hours to reach the Mizoram airport, that is called Lengpui airport, in which we have to come across a lot of bad roads where only one vehicle is able to pass. And then even for the boleros, roads are too difficult because these are truck roads and only one truck can pass only one time, and it is not tar road many of the places. And in fact, it was really a hard time to reach even the Mizoram airport. It was terrific difficult.
So basically, father comes from Churachandpur district, which was having most of the violence. In Churachandpur district, he is from a place called Singat, where we also as Street Providence have been doing work last 1 year. He has to come from Singat to Aizol, which is in Mizoram, or he has to come down to Imphal and take the flight. But since he's Kuki, he cannot enter Imphal airport. So he had to take the jungle road, which is absolutely not motorable. So it took him 14 hours or 13 hours to sit in a bolero from Singat to Aizol. Then he had to wait at Aizol and take a flight to Guwahati, Assam. From Assam, the flights were not connected. It took him another 12 hours, right?
Yes.
From Aizol, he had to come to Bangalore, Karnataka, and from Bangalore, he had to come to Daboli in Goa. So basically, he's traveled 4,500 kilometers, 5 states, 5 airports, which could have taken maximum 7 hours. When the distance from Imphal to Goa is maximum 7 hours if you get the quick flight, but it took him more than 48 hours, and he went through the. It's not an easy travel. When you sit in a bolero for 13 hours, it's not comfortable road. It's all muddy road, jungle road. The bolero stops every 2-3 hours for recharge. It's all dark. It's not something which you and I will ever experience. And how do we know this? Because we actually use the same route when we sent 4 trucks of material from Goa through Aizol, through the Ghat, into Singat, into Churachandpur. So Father, now you have experienced St. Francis Xavier, right?
Yes.
You experienced the exposition, you experienced You saw different parts of Goa.
Yes.
Tell us about the meeting you had or the opportunity you had to meet two important, one Archbishop and one the Cardinal. Yeah.
Yes, my coming here was all a miracle. Like, I do not expect anything, and I did not come with expectation. I just came just to spend time praying. But then, as soon as I reached Street Providence, Goa, in the person of Ronald, I was taken care, and then even what I could not dream. I had the meeting with the nuncio. I had the meeting with the Cardinal Antonio Tagle, which was actually my dream, because I had a great admiration for him. I used to listen his talks. His talks are coming from his heart, and then it's a real call. So I had a great admiration for him, and this time through Ronald I was able to meet, and so because of which I really don't mind spending, even if I have to spend so much in order to reach here. I really don't mind. And when I reached here, I met a lot of angels. To be very frank, I should say I met a lot of angels. I met starting from the person of Ronald. He was an angel to me, who led me, who guided me. And then I met a lot of angels. If I were to narrate, actually, yes, too many angels who come to my aid, who came to assist me, who really met me. And it was all, I should say, through the intercession of St. Francis and on the good God has given.